This will be a video on how to transfer the formatted information and add it to the contact sheet. So for this part of the video, we'll be focusing on this column. And so as you see, there's one item that's been already formatted, the novelty. So you're going to go ahead and look for this item in the wholesale folder. So you open, go to Google Drive, New Wave Retail, Wholesale, Salesforce, SS to Salesforce. You're going to go to the wholesale folder, which is 3B. So click on the folder, you'll see that this file should be here. Go ahead and open that file. First thing you want to do is highlight all the columns from A through X. We're going to go ahead and hit Data, remove duplicates, and we want to deselect all of them. We only want to remove the duplicates in the brand column because we don't want to contact brands twice. So we're going to go ahead and hit H, which is the brand column, hit remove duplicates, and there you go. So all the duplicates have been removed from this column, and so we should be contacting each brand once. Once that's completed, you want to go ahead and scroll down to see what is the last column, so we know 139 is the last column. Okay, the last row, I'm sorry. So you want to go to, now you want to go to our contact sheet. As you see, this is the Swanky Home contact sheet. So we'll go to our Google Sheets, go to the Swanky Home, and now we'll just copy the information in. So the first one we want is ASIN. So we'll go to ASIN, which is this one. You don't want to choose ASIN Auto or Parent ASIN. You want just ASIN. So we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, copy it, go back to Google Sheets, paste it, and then we're going to do that for each of the corresponding columns that we actually have in this sheet. So the next one would be brand, which is also the company. So the company name and brand are the same title. The same thing, So copy all the way down to the bottom of the brand. Okay. Website. This is going to be for you to fill in. Same thing with email. The AZ link is, we had that in there. So we'll go to here. That'll be considered the Amazon URL. Now it's looking for the FBA low price. On this sheet is considered the buy box price. Move over the column here, paste it. Category. Also for these, you can use control up and down to move down faster. Just be careful though, because like for instance, brand, if there's a blank, it'll stop you. That's why I've been scrolling. That's why I've been scrolling up and down, because if there's a blank, it won't scroll. This will not scroll all the way to the bottom when you hit control down, because there's a blank right here. So it stops whenever there's a blank. So we'll go with a category, which is, sorry, it's in this is the actual category that it came up with, which is a little bit odd, but we'll just go ahead and copy. Toys and games. And then we need the rank. Rank is sales rank. So we'll go ahead and copy it down, make sure it goes to 139. Copy that. We'll go ahead and also, if this doesn't format correctly, we'll just go ahead and format it. It might already format correctly, then you won't have to worry about it, but if in this case it didn't, so we'll just go ahead and format it to a number, and we'll remove the decimals. And everything looks good. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and Go ahead and highlight from this column to this column. You'll see the little box right here. You want to go ahead and drag this box all the way to the bottom to make sure it includes everything. Okay? Once that's completed, the next thing we want to do is we're going to look for brands that we have already contacted. So the way we do that is these 3 columns. If the brand has been contacted, or the website or the email, it'll show up here. So as you can see, we've already contacted these brands. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and data. I'm going to filter it, sort A to Z, and you can just go ahead and just delete these items because we do not want to contact a company twice. So we'll go ahead and delete the row. You would also do the same, sort A to Z if there's anything in the website. Now that we sorted, there's nothing there. We're good. So you do the same thing with email. Make sure nothing's there. So as long as all this is NA, you're basically good to go. So this contact sheet has been imported and is now ready to be filled out. The next thing you want to do is go back to this board. We're going to go ahead and move to add it to contact sheet, which basically completes the file. And now we'll also go to our folder and archive it. And that is the end of the last step. Thank you.